Hi all, this is a small video about a simple but most frequently used component, jumper wires. Prior to jumping into practicals, I thought it would be good to have a clear understanding about jumper wires as well. So let's dive in. Firstly, what are jumper wires? Jumper wires are short electrical wires used to make connections between components on a breadboard or between a breadboard and other devices like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, sensors or power supply. Fun fact, they are called jumper wires because they jump from one point to another in a circuit. There are three main types of jumper wires based on the connector at the end. We have a male-to-male jumper wire. In these wires, both the ends have a metal pin. These are used to connect breadboard to breadboard or Arduino to breadboard. Secondly, we have male to female jumper wires. In male to female wires, one end has a pin and the other has a socket. These are great for connecting Arduino pins to sensors or modules that have a male headers. Female to female jumper wires have both ends have a socket. These are used when connecting two male header pins, like from one module to another. Depending on your project, you'll often need a mix of all three. Jumper wires come in different lengths and colors, but guess what? The color doesn't affect the wire works. It's just for helping you stay organized. Here are some common color conventions. Red is used for power or VCC. Black is used for ground. And we have green, blue, yellow, which are used for signal lines or data wires. Lengths range from 10 centimeters to 30 centimeters or more, depending on your layout. Here are some tips for using jumper wires. Use short wires for clean builds, and it will avoid confusions as well. And make sure to keep the power and ground wires color coded consistently. And it's good to label long or small wires using tape or heat shrink. And for permanent projects, switch to soldered headers or DuPont connectors. Anyways, it's just a small video. Next we'll be jumping into projects. Until then, see you.